You can add to the awning an optional deluxe roof canopy. Zip the deluxe roof canopy onto the awning and assemble the curved pole according to previous instructions. Position the curved pole in the center against the caravan, then fasten the tunnel zip around the pole. Pull the pole and the roof canopy forward and then secure the large lashing strap so that it stays upright. Place the roof poles under the deluxe roof canopy and extend them. Then you can tighten the lashing straps, secure the curved pole fixation and remove the tension strap. If you wish, you can attach the mud flaps.